In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the seat heater switches. This fits the 2005 through 2010 Chrysler 300. I'm going to start by putting your key in, turn the key to the on position, and we're going to put our vehicle in neutral. You go ahead and turn that key back. You know, the front low portion of our console here, we're going to go ahead and use our plastic trim tool. We're going to start by popping out this little plastic tray by going down here and go ahead and work out that lower portion. Set that aside. Next thing, now if you want to go ahead and access your seat heater switches, they're right here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull off our upper trim bezel first to get access to that. Go ahead and just kind of pry in there and pop this out. The reason why we're pulling this out here is that we can't get our lower portion out beyond the shifter console without popping that out. I'm going to start by removing the connectors on the back side of our heater control unit. There's two connectors. Press down on the little spring tab on the top. Wiggle and pop those harnesses off. Do the same for both. We're going to go ahead and swing that up and away. This is going to allow us nice, easy access to the back side of this unit. On the back side of our seat heater switches, on the bottom side, there's a little pressure clip right there. Press in on that. Wiggle that and pop that out. Just flip this over. If you want, you could do the same on that side there. Now we can flip this right over. Now on the back side of our seat heater switch, there's going to be a little tab. There's one right here on the top, and there's one on the bottom side. What we're simply going to do is apply some pressure, pushing the switch out through the front. When doing so, we're going to use our pick, push in on this little clip here, and then we'll go ahead and do the same to the back side. Work the switch out through the front, and there's your seat heater switch. We're going to repeat the same process for the driver's side seat heater switch. Go ahead and take your seat heater switch, line it up in the front, press that through, and you'll hear it and feel it lock into place. Switch that over, grab your connector, line that up, lock that into place. If you disconnected the driver's side or you replace that switch, go ahead and reconnect that one, line it up, snap that in, place this back into its original position. Go ahead and snap that in. Go ahead and reconnect your heater control unit here with these connectors. Line these up, push them in. You'll hear them and feel them lock into place. Line it up and push it back in. Insert your little plastic tray, pressing that down into place. Go ahead and put the car back in park.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.